Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, child. So today it is Wednesday, the 11th. Hey, nako ile. Today is Wednesday, the 12th of January 2022. It is 11:19. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Libito la ke nna Mimi. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, child. Okay, please also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Also on TikTok, Curly Memes. Okay, so we are vlogging today. Yeah, I wanted. Sorry about that. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys that it is 11:19, the 12th of January 2022. Okay, so I wanted to start this vlog because I thought I'm gonna do this a little unboxing later on, but I'm expecting people to come wash my couch. On Monday they came, they took my mat, they went to wash it. They said batlo after 2 days, and then 2 days, which is today, and then batlo tlatswa this, what do you call it, this couch, right? I thought they were gonna be here by 7, and now it's about 20 past 11. I'm just a little bit annoyed. Also, I'm expecting people, but like I had a leak, so bantite tile, go bathroom bantite tile so that they can put, they can fix the leak, and then they have to put it back. And then I thought they were gonna come today early in the morning, so I was expecting people early, very early in the morning. I woke up very early. Basically, I woke up kabo 1:30. I was doing something. I was working. Actually, I was doing a channel art. It is so cute. I'm in love with it. Please do check it out, but after this vlog, okay, check it out, or maybe I'll put it somewhere on the screen, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's what's happening. And Kalekituhile, I'm tired. I think breakfast because we're trying to be snatched, okay? Not that I'm starving myself, but I'm teaching myself discipline. Yeah, so I want to do this. Let me just calm down so that I can do this unboxing properly. I received things from Take a Lot. I bought them I think first week of Jan, so I wanna quickly do an unboxing and show you. The only thing I remember, Lohana, why only the boxes did inches? Okay, wait, what? This was supposed. Okay, get a lady brunch. I thought these were supposed to come back, man. Hey, Luna. This is what I bought. I will put the prices on the screen because I totally forgot how much this was. I don't know. Let me quickly check. I thought, Take a Lot. Let me just quickly. I don't know, guys. But I thought this was supposed to come the bag. I don't know. I don't remember actually, but let's come put on the bag thing. Hey! I want online. No, but maybe I think I opted for. Let me just quickly check, guys. Kayaga, guys. Kids, it's just a set. No, okay. But I'll give it I guess. Let's just take one of these. Yo, kids in hurry. Luna. Yeah, this soft. It's on. It is soft, but let me too. Maybe the size are mirrored. I don't know. They were 118, I think. Yeah, 118. I don't know what's in here. Whoa, darker lash. Okay, I bought lashes. This is so cute. The packaging is so cute. I bought lashes. Let's see the lashes. This is very nice. The nice. Yo, the nice. Bona. Look at that. Nice. two pairs. I bought them for 142 pairs. I'll probably, guys, get like the price somewhere there. You guys, I don't know if you can see, but wanna get quality. I get happy, period. I'm so happy. I'm definitely going to buy more from this lash company for Take a Lot. Look at this, look at this. They are fluffy. I'm happy, guys. And then some of this box. No, I have to return this. I have to. This is so small. Yo, Mudimaka. Yo, this is very small. Yo, you can't see, but wait on the picture. It looks so big. And I get 200. Yo. I get happy. I get sure I'm I'm bored. Let's move on. I'm bored. Okay. I'm bored, but you know what? It's okay. So the next thing that I got is this Maybelline Fix Spray, the setting spray. Really, really good. Yeah, never used it before, but I've seen a lot of our, South African makeup gurus use this, so I just thought I want to try it. Okay. And then I got Ghost Bond glue. This is the Ghost Bond glue I usually use for my wigs. I usually use Got To Be glue, but I thought, let me try something new. I don't have a problem with Got To Be. I really don't have a problem. It does a good job, but I just wanted to try something new. And then I also, I thought I should support one of our own sisters, and I bought Tandigama slashes, Lash Me Baby, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Let me show them to you. How gorgeous is this? Yo, Tandigama. My Tandis. No, man, jealous down. Beautiful. Yo, guys, I'm happy. Like, they are beautiful. I bought them. The name of these give Fantasy. Yo, I did nice. The packaging. Oh, Nanje. Look at this. Huh? Packaging is so beautiful. I'm happy. Yo, like, I'm really happy. I'm definitely gonna go buy more of these. Like, this is my style. This is me. You know what I mean? So, yeah, guys, that's all I bought from Take a Lot. And, yeah, by the way, Tandigama, go Take a Lot now. Her lashes, I go Take a Lot. Or you can actually buy them on her website, I think. But I bought them, go Take a Lot. So, yeah, guys, that's about it for this little mini haul. But I am definitely returning this nonsense. This is so small.
Do what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. 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 with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but if
So guys, just a quick update. The guys are here and they've already started. I think you all saw. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna have a clean house, and then probably tomorrow I'm going to be able to run errands. The guys for the bathroom, they're not here yet, but I called the lady and she said they'll be here, so I'm happy. Okay, and they're gonna bring my carpet. Okay, so yeah, I will show you later when everything is looking proper.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
So guys, this is the situation right now. Yeah, they're not that wet, but they're still a little bit damp. So yeah, they're done. I'm happy. As I was saying, guys, I'm happy they're done. The guy what tile fix it tile. There's no more leak. The house is proper now, almost proper. They're gonna bring in the what do you call it? I don't know, the carpet tomorrow. I'm not sure if they're gonna bring it tomorrow or what, but yeah, it is what it is. Chair, I'm happy. I'm happy, and I forgot that I did not eat. And what time is it? I don't even know what time is it. Probably about 3, 4, and Nakaja next today. So it is what it is, child. I'm going to shower, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. I just realized that my battery is low. Oh, my battery is low. What am I gonna do? But it's okay. I don't know. I'll take a battery bank. It's not a. Oh, my battery is low. It's really low, guys. So hi, it's the next day. I'm going to nail spray. Guys, please never mind this. I'll explain. I even forgot that I'm still wearing it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to nail spray it with a friend of mine. She's going to do her hair, and I'm going to attempt to take off my nails. Hopefully, it's a salon. I don't know. What was.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh. but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you. I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not as
Just a quick update, guys. We are done. We had a nice, what was it? It was not brunch, it was dinner. I think it was dinner. It's now 10:07, and we're driving back to Witbank. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. Nelspruit, beautiful place. The food was great. Beautiful people. What is that? The restaurant is Doppio Zero.
Yeah, Doppio Zero.
Doppio Zero.
Ilangamo.
At Ilangamo. The food, delish. Why am I wearing this mask?
I have no idea.
Huh? So yeah, guys, that's about it. I'll see you guys when I get home. Let's go home. Let's go back to Witbank. Okay?
for much, but